Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can add profile picture frame on Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application. Once you open Facebook application, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right, and then you need to click on your name first and click on your profile picture and click on add frame. So here you can see that I found different frames, and here you can see frames your friend used. So here you can see that there are different frames, and if you want to apply any, you simply need to click on that, and then you need to click on save on the top right. Once you click on that, your frame will be added. So this is a simple process by which you can add frame on Facebook profile picture. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.